Lisa, and I'm here today to talk to you about Birkbeck's Studiosity service. As part of your study skills support service, you've been provided with a Studiosity access which gives you feedback on all of your academic writing, so whether you're writing an essay or a business report or a scientific report, a lab report, anything where you're having to write something down and you're having to write something for submission, you can use Studiosity to get support and get help and get feedback on how you've written that work. So we'll help you with things such as your language, we'll help you with your structure, is the layout correct? We can also help you in terms of looking for any spelling mistakes in there, and most importantly we can give you support in your referencing as well. All of that is provided to you within a 24-hour period. So say for example you're working on something in the evening, it might be 11 p.m. at night, you can submit that piece of work that you're working on to Studiosity. By the time you wake up in the morning, one of our writing specialists will have got back to you, given you some feedback, and away you go. You can start to apply that again to your work and really make your essay shine. So if you want to access the Studiosity service, all you need to do is log into My Birkbeck. Once you get into there, you'll see a tile that says Studiosity, click into there and away you go.